Dito kami magla-lunch ni Mona mo. Ayan. Check natin sa loob. Okay. Check natin. There you go. Check. Hello. Ay, sorry. Yan. Yung lunch. At nung kami sa labas pala. Check natin. Ay mo na mo. Wow, nakaupo na siya dyan. Hindi siya ready. Sorry? Yeah. Why is gonna be busy later for lunch?
For lunch, yeah. That's why she told me to sit where there's no setup yet.
Ah, okay.
No, no.
Ganda na.
This is ang pangalan?
Kinilaw.
Kinilaw. It's,
Kinilaw na sa baso.
Costa Rican style.
Costa Rican style. And then what you having?
This is like a bruschetta,
Bruschetta.
bread with cheese and ham and salmon.
Bon appetit! Ay, yung wine pa pala, love. Main course, marinated tuna. At saka iba mga sauce.
Tataki tuna.
Tuna. And of course, walang sawang beef steak. Okay, cheers muna mo.